In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most of Deel, your Forever People platform. Deel is a comprehensive tool designed to streamline operations, manage tasks, and ensure smooth collaboration between teams. Whether you're new to Deel or looking to refine your existing skills, this guide will walk you through a series of steps to enhance your user experience. First things first, let's begin by heading over to Deel's official website. Simply open your favorite web browser and go to their platform. Once you're there, on the dashboard, you'll notice various options available to you, which may seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the process. Start by clicking on the More button. This action will give you access to a plethora of features that Deel offers, making this a crucial step in uncovering the full capability of the platform. Next, direct your attention to the YT option. Clicking here will reveal more layers of the interface, allowing you to access functionalities neatly tucked away under this feature. Following this, you'll want to click on the Highlight option. This is where you can really start tailoring the platform to suit your specific needs, enhancing the workflow and increasing productivity for you and your team. If you see another option to click on Highlight, go ahead and do that as well. This repetition reinforces certain functions and can sometimes offer additional features not immediately apparent on the first click. Next, we're going to focus on viewing our workspace. Simply find and click on View. This will provide you with a comprehensive overview of your current projects, giving you crucial insights into your team's progress and any actions that may be required from your end. Now let's take a look at organizing your workspace by clicking on the Workspace option. This action is essential for managing tasks seamlessly, ensuring everyone on your team is on the same page and that project objectives are clear. From there, navigate over to Documents. Clicking on this will help you manage, upload, and organize pivotal documents, keeping them secure and easily accessible at any time. Once again, there might be a prompt to click on Highlight. Make sure you do so, as these highlights often draw attention to essential updates or notes that might otherwise go unnoticed. To ensure your account is secure and all set up correctly, click on Verify My Account. It's crucial to have all verification steps completed for smooth operation within the platform and to maintain security. Next, let's dive into the profile settings by clicking on Profile Settings. Here, you can customize your profile, manage settings, and ensure everything aligns with your needs and preferences. Finally, to wrap up our walkthrough, direct your attention to the remaining features such as invoice, account access, verification, and payment methods. By selecting each of these options, you're ensuring that your financial and security details are accurate and up to date. With these steps, you're now well equipped to navigate Deel with confidence. Each click brings you one step closer to mastery over this versatile platform. I hope you found this guide helpful, and as always, feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher.